Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the snow concert in Heartopia game Winter Frost season update. Okay, the snow concert is a limited event and it will be held every Sunday. And now it's time for the snow concert. So you need to go to the Winter Utopia and then you're going to go to the portal to enter the snow concert. Okay, this way guys, just follow me and you're going to find a portal and this portal will bring you to the snow concert. And once you join the snow concert, you can complete your personal goal and also the team goal. And wait, it's still loading. Okay, now I'm at the concert, the Snow Weekend concert. And then these are my personal goals and also my team goals. And I'm going to try to complete the personal goals. We need to use any solo action once. Then we also need to take a photo at the Fashion Wave concert. I'm going to take a photo here. And yeah, you just need to complete your personal goals and your team goals to complete the quest and get rewards from this event. And for the team goals, I need to perform a two-person ensemble in the free performance session. So here you just need to play music to complete the team goals. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the snow concert in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!